I'm on my way to work, and I was thinking about this yesterday. When I started professionally in this business in 1991, I believe we were on the tail end of a generation who actually maintenance their vehicles. They put snow tires on. They came in and had their snow tires taken off and put their summer tires back on. Some of the old timers would run water in the summertime in their cooling systems. And then they would come in and they would just do it themselves. So it seems like they would do their water themselves, but then they would come into the shop for us to do the put coolant in them, to take the water out and put the coolant in them. That was just how it seemed to pan out for the area that I am. And remember, area, demographics, income levels, status, all predicates what goes on in the bays, and that's for a fact. An area of the world too. People would actually ask to get the timing checked if they were in for an oil change. We didn't really have too many different, vehicles that were all-wheel drive, which had multiple transfer cases. So it was, we did have vehicles that had differentials and stuff, but not like it is today. So my point is, people would actually come in and ask for maintenance back in the day. Ask for points, cap, and rotor, as that was failing off. And then we just had HEI ignition, which was cap, rotor, wire, spark plugs, PCV, air cleaner, breather, air cleaner, filter. And I guess people were just more programmed for that stuff, and then became deprogrammed as vehicles evolved, maybe because of the way that the dealerships recommend service, or that, they never educated the consumers on, hey, your car still requires maintenance, and very much more today than it did in your 1970s, 80s, or 1990s vehicle. But does anyone actually do summer and winter maintenance? I will tell you, it's very rare in my shop that people come in and ask for maintenance. So when they come in for an oil change, that's basically a maintenance interval service. The customer just says oil change, not thinking that oil change means certain maintenance items need to be inspected and things need to be replaced, determined by visual inspection, mileage, and age. And then you have some customers just come and say, I don't care what's wrong with my car, I just want an oil change. And they're typically the ones that are a complete mess. Meaning lots of things are neglected, and mechanical issues, and in most cases, not all. I can prove it every day in my bays, those scenarios. But does anyone actually do maintenance? I know some vehicles today, you can't even rotate and balance. You can't rotate the tires because they're staggered wheels. That's extreme. Yeah, we used to have people come in and just ask for maintenance, but who actually is asking for maintenance anymore on their vehicles? I don't really see it that often. That's why we have to advise it when the customer shows up. All right, guys. So let me know what your thoughts are. Is anyone out there actually doing maintenance? Thanks for watching. Not even you. Are you doing maintenance, or do you take your vehicle in for regular maintenance, or do you have to be told that it needs maintenance?